Okay, with this truck here, my guys just told me we worked here today. The top of this truck needs to be waterproof. They said there was leakages in the top too. Okay. This truck over here has been sitting for a while. The battery is dead. Transmission works good on it. Engine, I think, is okay. It just moves kind of slow, needs some mechanical work. I don't know how deep of mechanical work we need. But yeah, it used to be okay. Right now it's filled, the back is filled. It's a ramp truck, as you see. It's really GMC. Walk to the back. It's a ramp truck. I'm contemplating either we work, it's a 2004, do we work on whatever it is under the hood to get it taken care of, or do I scrap it? This is how the box looks. Do I get another C5500, redo the back, get the box? I don't know. That's a very poor back thing. This is the truck that we have in question. This truck has been dead for a long time. This is the truck that the homeless guy was sleeping on the back of. This lift gate, I actually paid good money to get this lift gate. The battery's dead on it right now, by the way. I paid good money to get this lift gate fixed. It's a very good lift gate. I want to keep it. It can't go away. This whole box, as you see, this looks like a box that you can probably also install a ramp. That'll be real crazy if I can also get a ramp in there, but that's neither here nor there. This is how the top looks. Let's open it real quick. Let me just show you the wear and tear. That hurricane from a few years ago messed it up. It's the real rotten box. Oh, of course, this is not big deal. That needs to be fixed. Let's try and get this open. It's a very disgusting smell. Oh, that's because of that food nonsense. It needs to go out. That's it. Look at how I don't even know if this is worth fixing. But yeah, this is it. Of course, we'll get that nonsense out. Yeah, this truck is really dead. Poor transmission. Can't go forward. No, it can't go backwards. It's just, I don't know. Anyways, that's it.